Russian President Vladimir Putin has declared that the crash of the Il-76 plane in Russia's Belgorod region on Wednesday was the result of an attack by Ukrainian air defenses, whether intentional or accidental. Putin, in his first comments on the incident, stated, and I quote, "I don't know if they did it on purpose or by mistake, but it is obvious that they did it. In any case, what happened is a crime." Moscow accuses Kyiv of downing the plane, which was reportedly carrying 74 people, including 65 Ukrainian soldiers en route to be exchanged for Russian prisoners of war. However, Russia has yet to present concrete evidence to support its claim. Ukraine has neither confirmed nor denied responsibility for the incident, challenging Moscow's narrative about the passengers and the events leading to the crash. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky's advisor Mikhail Podolyak dismissed Putin's comments as a classic disinformation campaign aimed at undermining Kyiv's right to secure air defense missiles from its partners. President Putin suggested that the missiles fired were likely American or French, but he noted that this information would be confirmed within 2 to 3 days. He also rejected the possibility of friendly fire, emphasizing that Russian air defense systems have safeguards to prevent such incidents. The Russian Investigative Committee, the country's top investigative body, claimed to have recovered Ukrainian identity documents and tattooed body parts from the crash site. The evidence, including documents from the Federal Penitentiary Service of Russia, is said to be undergoing genetic testing. However, the sole access to the crash site by Russia has raised concerns about the independent verification of these claims. Head of the Ukrainian Defense Ministry's Intelligence Directorate stated that Kyiv lacks credible and comprehensive information about the individuals on board. He questioned the number of people reported to be on the plane and refuted Russia's assertion that Ukraine was forewarned about the flight over the Belgorod region. Ukraine also highlighted discrepancies in a list of 65 Ukrainians published by Russian media, pointing out that some individuals had already been part of a previous prisoner swap. Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov denied knowledge of an official list and provided no information on the handling of the remains. In a further update, Russian state media announced that the black box flight recorders from the crashed plane had been delivered to a defense ministry laboratory in Moscow, with investigators already working on analyzing the data.